Wait. Bubba wants to play. Get it. Get it, Braxton. Wait, Dozer. Wait. Bubba wants to play. Hold on. Wait. Be calm. No. Get it. Get it. Get it, and then let Dozer get it. Hold on. You got to get it, Braxton. Wait, Dozer ain't even had a chance to get it. Hold on. Give him time to get it, darn. No. No. Okay. Be careful. Be careful. Was that fun? You gonna go over there and get it from him? You gonna go get it from him? Hold on, I'll get it. Give it here. Roll over, Braxton. Roll over. No, Dozer. No. All right. Get it. Okay, now you can get it. Be careful. Braxton just thinks it's the funniest thing in the world. I'm scared he's going to bite his hand on accident. Be careful. Be careful. Hehehe